Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the Rgh hack is stable and noting the current dashboard. Back up your NAND dump and any saves to a PC so you can restore if needed. Next, copy the exact update files to a FAT32 formatted USB and open your flashing tool. This avoids mismatches. Once done, power the console to the Rgh ready state and connect the USB. This ensures you start with a recoverable, known good setup before the flashing process. You will build an updated NAND using the correct CPU key so the image matches your console. This prevents lockout. Use your chosen flasher to write the new image, then immediately verify checksums to confirm integrity. Once the console boots, install required title updates and run rehash and partition repair to align file systems. Make sure to monitor for errors and stop if a checksum fails. Reflash only after investigating the cause to prevent bricking. You finish by booting to the dashboard and testing multiple games and apps to confirm stability. Restore saved games and check network functionality. If live access is required, ensure your patched NAND and titles are compatible. If the console does not boot or shows errors, the primary troubleshooting step is to reflash the original NAND backup you made earlier. Doing that immediately returns you to the starting point and lets you debug without permanent damage, so keep that backup handy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.